This video we are going to show you how to remove the radio, CD changer and the monitor for Lexus LS430 2004 and up. The tools that you need is this yellow dashboard removal tool and size 10mm socket plus Phillips screwdriver. The first step, you put the shifter in the neutral position, and then you pop out this panel for the heater for the seat. It doesn't have any screws, you just have to pop it up and then you just disconnect one plug. There are three screws, Phillips screws underneath, one to the driver's side, one on the passenger, and one right in the middle. And you need to remove these three screws. And then you pop out this compartment. It has only one plug, and you can put that one on the side. Now you can see there are two bolts are exposed for the mounting for the radio and the CD changer. You get these two out, they are size 10mm, and then you can pull the radio forward. Just unplug the hazard switch and then the connectors in the back of the radio. So you need to disconnect. And once you get the radio out, then you can remove the monitor. Remove the monitor. First you need to remove these two switches next to the monitor, the one on the driver's side and then one on the passenger side. You need to insert your tool right above it and then one to the side. You can just make it loose a little bit, try to make it loose, and then you insert your tools, and maybe you need two of them this way. Here you go. So you have to play with it in order to get it out, and you can just disconnect it. The reason we take these two switches out because there is the bolts underneath which you need to open, and then you do the same thing on the passenger side. You insert your tools on the both sides of the switch, and then you just pry it out. Here you go. And you can just disconnect the connector, or you can just leave it loose on the side. And there are two bolts, 10mm bolt, as you can see right in there. Or you can open it up with the Phillips or the 10mm socket. And then there is two bolts on this side which you need to remove. Just remove the bolts, and then you remove the passenger side. Once you remove these four bolts, and then you can remove the monitor. Just pull it forward. And as soon as you can have to jiggle a little bit because it's never been taken out of the car. And that's it. These are the connectors for the back of the monitor. To get the clips out, you just push the clips inward and then you can remove it. And most of the problem with these monitors, they become black, or they have lots of lines, and then intermittently they go out and then they come back, which the problem is in the 99% is in the monitor, not any other components. If you need any repair for the monitor, radio, or the CD changer, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.